Starting out with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, I'm using this orange shade and sweeping that back and forth in my crease. Using the yellow shade, I am blending out the orange. Then I'm going to cut the crease using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Using my Violet Voss Rainbow palette, I'm going over top of that with Buttercup. Then going in with a NYX eyebrow pencil, I am just starting out the lines for the different sections of the stitched together skin. Then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm just putting it in the areas that is going to be the regular skin. Then for the other type of skin, I am starting off with a cream or a white cream face paint. This is just the base to help brighten up the other color. Then I'm going in with this pink shade from the Zulu palette, and this is going to be the other type of skin. For the other eye, I'm using this teal shade, just basically sweeping that all over. And then on the lid, I'm doing this lighter blue shade that has some shimmer to it. Using a red eyeliner from Halloween Essentials, I'm just using this to make a cut, basically to cover up my eyebrow because I didn't have anything to block my brow. And then I'm going over the lines to create the different folds of skin with the eyeliner pencil. For the stitches, I'm using my white Mayron Paradise paint. For the majority of the lips, I'm using the NYX's Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Baby Doll. The other little part, I am just using a black eyeliner to cover the lips. Using a red cream paint, I'm just darkening up some of the areas to make it look like a deeper cut. And I'm just popping on some blush on the one cheek and then some highlight. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. And then for the pink skin, I'm using Pink Heart from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. Then I popped on 2 different types of lashes. And there you have the finished Frankenbabe look. I really enjoyed this. You can customize it any way you want if you recreate it. If you liked it, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already because it's free, so why not? It lets me know I'm doing a good job. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far my 31 days of Halloween. It's getting close to being the end. I'm excited though for the rest of the looks. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!